Hello, fellow Nissan Leaf owner. Are you having issues with your battery? Loss of range like crazy? Can't go anyplace anymore? Believe me, I'm in the same boat. So I created this website. It's called the Nissan Leaf Battery Replacement.com website. What it does is it has a Google map that shows all these locations around the world that are currently swapping out the Nissan Leaf battery packs. Most of them are obtaining the batteries from salvage Nissan Leafs 2018 through 2020s that have been wrecked in an accident. And so they buy up the battery and they stick the battery in the new car. And so an older Leaf can get anywhere from 150 to 225 miles of range. It's very cool. So what you need to do is look at the map, zoom into the area where you live, find the closest shop, and click on the little cone that's there, the little EV cone, that green cone, and a little pop-up will come up and it'll tell you their contact information, and then you'll get in touch with them and they'll give you a quote on what it'll take to replace your battery. Right now, there's only 35 locations in the entire world. I'm talking to a couple of places, and I think we're going to have another 100 places in the next year. So it's going to be pretty filled, the map. It's going to be pretty awesome. And then on the website as well, there's a link to go to all these different social media groups, and the one on Facebook is very popular. There's 4,100 members right now, and that's what I'm scrolling through right now in the video. So I hope to see you at the Facebook group. We also are on Twitter and Instagram and Reddit as well. So we're on all of them. And that's it. Please share this video. Please share the website. We need all Nissan Leaf owners to find out about it. Thank you very much. My name is Sal Cameli. Bye.